Unlock the secret to stunning landing pages that convert. Discover how to create a catchy designs with Canva in just a few simple steps. No design skills needed. Ready to boost your business? Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome back in this video where I will show you how you can create a landing page with Canva. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is Canva? Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create a variety of visual content, including social media graphics, presentations, posters, and landing pages. It offers a land and user-friendly interface with drag and drop features, a vast library of templates and design elements, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced designers. So you have just to click over sign up and write your email address and your password, then you get started with Canva. You have your other options like here we have documents, photos and videos, and we have also print here, marketing. Then we have your business like Canva Enterprise, Canva Teams, Contact Sales, Business Solutions, Use Case, Resources. So you click over the one you want to know more on, the one you need. And you have your education such as teachers and schools, students, teaching resources. You have LMS integrations, case studies, higher education. Then you have your plans and pricing like free, pro, Teams, Enterprise. Then we have learn here like Canva, blog, design school, events, and help center. So this is the homepage of Canva. I will show you how you can get started. So to create a landing page on Canva, start by selecting a landing page template for the options available. Customize it using the drag and drop editor to modify text, images, and colors. Add elements like buttons and forms for visitor interaction, and ensure you include a compelling call to action. Once you are happy with the design, download it or publish it directly to your website. With Canva, crafting an attractive landing page is quick and easy. So right now I will show you how you can do that. Firstly, you have to click over search your content and canvas, and then you search about landing page. I select here landing page as you can see. So we have here 20,000 templates. I will select the filters that I want. For example, we have business, social media, education, video, marketing, print, products, cards, and invitations. You have your style, theme, you have language, feature, grade, subject, topic, and we have price also. And I will click over free here, and then I will click over apply. Once you do that, you will find the free landing pages. For example, I will select one of this. For example, I'll select this one. Then I will click over customize this template. So here we have this home page. You can add a page here. You can also zoom and other options. I will show you how you can do that. So first of all, we have your design. About this one, we have template first. You can add another page if you want, like this one. So we have recently used like this one or this one. Also, you have all results here. Then we have your styles, recently used, combinations, color palettes, font sets, you have recent design styles, image palettes, and other things. You have your elements, like we have frame, line, arrow, heart, and we have logo, circle, square, box. We have shapes here, graphics, stickers, AI image generator, photos, videos, audio, charts, tables, frame, and other things. You can just select the one you want. Then we have your text. For example, you want to add a text box. So this is it. We have magic right here. You can just click over try it out and you write the image, the magic to write. Then we have your other brand fonts. You can just click over here and get started. Then we have your default text styles like at a hidden, at a subhidden, and a little bit of body text. Then we have also font combinations like this one. So this one it's Pro, also this one. If you click over it, you will find here upgrade to Canva Pro to use this premium templates. So this is how it looks. So as you can see, then we have your brand, like we have brand kit like logos, colors, fonts. We have print files, photos, graphics, icons also. Then you have your upload. You can upload files like images, videos, audio. Then we have draw here. So you select the color that you want. For example, if I select this one, and I will just change it. So I will select the green one. Then I will click over. I will go to here on the right. For example, Canva. As you can see, if you make a mistake, you can just click over here and you come back. As you can see, I will come back in the first. So this is it, the first that I choose. Then we have here file, for example, create new design, import files, settings, accessibility, save, move to a folder, make a copy, download, virtual history, move to trust, find and replace text, open in desktop app, suggest an improvement. Then we have also here resize. So we have translate here. You have transform into talk. And then we have here editing. You can choose also commenting. Viewing, sorry. Then we have also other things like here we have if you want to add account, insights. Then you have here current page, have something to say, select anything in the design to add a comment and start a conversation. Then we have here share also. And here if you want to zoom, thumbnail view, grid view also. Then we have present full screen like that. And also we have other things if you want to add a comment, if you want to delete, as you can see, background color, animate, position, and we have copy style. So Canva empowers you to create style landing pages effortlessly, blended creativity with functionality, blended by utilizing its intuitive tools and templates. You can design a page that not only looks great, but also effectively engages your audience. Whether you are promoting a product or capturing leads, Canva makes it simple to transform your vision into reality. Start designing today and watch your conversions soar. So this is how it works with Canva. You can just get started as soon as possible and you will design whatever you want. Landing page and other things like websites or any platform you want. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. See you in the next video.